Hey, hello, KGA Pirates. It's Mr. Mike. Got your lesson for today, and we're going to be doing some more math. Let's go. Math. They look excited. I hope you're excited too. I'm excited to do some more math. We're going to be talking more about even numbers. And I'm going to teach you a special secret about even numbers. And here's the secret. Let's get started. Okay, remember we started with a number line yesterday. And to find our even numbers, we skip count on the number line. That's how we know what even numbers are. We started with 0 and we counted. Normally we count like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's how you count on a number line. But for finding our even numbers, we have to skip count. There are odd numbers and even numbers, and we're only going to talk about the even numbers today. Okay, remember our numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Those are our even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's it. That's all of them. If you know those 5 numbers are even, you can find any number to be even. Even numbers. There's our number line again. Now remember, normally you count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a number line. But for even numbers, we have to skip count. We're going to start here at 0, and we skip. Do we go to 1? Nope, we skip it. We go over it to 2. That's our next even number. And then we skip over 3, and we go to 4. And that's our next even number. And then we go to 5. Nope, we skip over 5 and go to 6. There's our next even number. Skip over 7, and we go to 8. And there you have it, our 5 even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here's our number line again. I want you to say the even numbers, okay? You read them as I circle them in red. There's 0. Okay, I hope you said it. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Say that now. After I say it, you say it. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Good job. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's all of our odd numbers. Or even numbers. Sorry, Mr. Mike made a mistake. Even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Can you remember those? I think you can. I'm going to show you something special we can do with them. It's a secret. Even numbers. Here we go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers. Zero. Then we skip over to 2. And where do we go next? You got it. We go to 4. And where do we go after 4? We got a 6 in the next one. Very good. We also say that that is counting by twos. Usually we count by ones. We go up one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's counting by ones. But what we just did is counting by twos, because we started at 0 and we went to 2, 4, 6, 8. It's counting by twos. That gives us the even numbers if we start with 0. Okay. What about these numbers? 16, 10, 28, and 10. Oh, no, it's not 10, it's 100. Now, are those even or odd numbers? Are those even numbers? Well, we'd have to have a big number line if we wanted to find those. So I'm going to show you the secret for those big numbers. Remember, we had that big number line? You could start up here at 1 and count all the way to 100. We would have to skip count all the way through all those numbers to get to 100 if we wanted to find out if it was even or not. But that would take too long. We don't want to do that. So let's look at the secret way of doing it. Even numbers. Here they go. There's our 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, first we look at 16 here. We only have to look at one digit. The 6 there, I underlined it. The one number 6 there. That's the only number you have to look at. It's the last number in the whole big number. Actually, we say digit. 6 there. We just look at that. Is that number 6? Is that even? Yes, it's right there on our list. 0, 2, 4, 6. So if 6 is even, then that means 16 is even. Isn't that easy? Let's look at this one. There's 12. Was that on our list? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Nope, it's not on our list. We don't want to skip count all the way to 12. So we just look at the last digit, the 2. Is that even? Yeah, sure, that's even. It's right there on our list. 2 is even. Well, if 2 is even, then 12 is even. That's another big number. 28. Do you want to skip count all the way to 28? No, we'd have to have a big number line. That would take too long. So how do we know if 28 is even? It's easy. Look at the last digit. Right there. The last digit is 8. Is 8 even? Yes, 8 is even. So if 8 is even, then 28 is even. Wow, there's a big number, 100. Do you want to draw a giant number line with 100 numbers on it and skip count? No way, that would take too long. So we just look at the last digit right there. What digit is that? Yeah, 0. Is 0 even? It sure is. That's our first one. So that means that the number 100 is also even. Isn't that a great secret? I love that secret. Okay, let's look at our even numbers again. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get a big number in here. There's 20. Is that odd or even? Well, there's the 20, the 0. So that means it's even. Yep, that's right. Let's look at our next number. 17. Do we have a number line for that? No. We just look at the last digit, which is 7. Is 7 even? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. No, 7 is not even. Well, then 17 is not even. Let's look at this number. 74. Do we need to draw a number line? No way. We just look at the last digit. 4. Is that even? Sure is. That means 74 is even. One more for this page. 39. What's our last digit? Yep, it's 9. Is that even? Nope. So that means 39 is not an even number. Look how good you are at this. So, even number. Let's practice a little more here. 24. What do you think? Is that even or odd? You got it. If you looked at this number here, you saw it was a 4. So is it even? Yep, it sure is. 4 is even. So 24 is even. 87. Well, 8 is even. So 87 is even, right? No, we don't look at the 8. We look at the last digit, the 7. Is it even? Nope, it's not even. So 87 is not even. Let's look at some more big numbers here. 138. Oh my gosh, we have to have a pretty big number line if we want to skip count. That would take a long time. All we have to do is look at the last digit. 8. Is 8 even? Sure is. You're right. So that means 138 is even. 249. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of skip counting. I don't want to do that. We just have to look at one digit. 9. Is 9 even? Nope. So 249 is not even. What if we have a huge number, a giant number? Look at this number. That number is 2,345,416. That's a huge number. Do you want to skip count all the way to 2,345,416? No, neither do I. So what do? We look at the last digit, which is 6. That's right, it's even. So that means that whole big number is even. Isn't that easy? That's a great trick for finding out if a number is even. Okay, remember our example yesterday? Is can I share? Can I share and be fair? That's another way of knowing if a number is even, or why we call them even, meaning both sides have the same. So we have a girl and a boy, and we have some gold coins. Let's count the gold coins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 gold coins. So can we share them between 2 people and it be even? They both get the same amount. We call that being even. Let's try it. We give the girl 1 coin, so we give the boy 1 coin. Do we have any coins left? Yeah, we still have more. Well, let's give another coin to the girl. So then we have to give another coin to the boy. Okay, now they're all gone. We've given them out. Let's count the coins. Well, the girl has 1, 2, 2 coins. And if we count what the boy has, he has 1, 2, 2 coins. So the girl got 2 coins, and the boy got 2 coins. So that means 4 is even. We can share them and be fair when we share. So it's even. Excellent. Good job. Even Steven. Remember, here's our number line. And when we want to find an even number, so it's 0, we skip count. Go to 2, and we skip count. And we go to 4. Remember, another name for this is counting by 2s. So we're at 4, and we're going to count by 2s. So now we go over to 6. And if we're counting by 2s, then we go over to 8. There's our even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, you ready for your homework? It's a little different than last night's math homework. I want you to write down 10 even numbers. And I'm going to show you an example after I give you these directions. Write down 10 even numbers, like on a piece of paper. And then take a picture of it. And then guess what you're going to do with the picture? That's right, send it on WeChat to me. I want to see your even numbers that you wrote. Now look how I did this. I'll show you my example, and you can use this as your example. Okay, here's my piece of paper with my 10 even numbers on it. I'm going to show you the first 4 that I did because they're pretty simple. I have 2, there's 10, 36, 88. Those are 4 numbers that are even. And you could do your whole paper just like that. You can just write the numbers down. Or you can also do something like this. Right here. I wrote 6. S-I-X. That's how you spell the number 6. Well, that's an even number. So I wrote it down. Or you could draw something like this. I drew a box and I put 6 big dots in it. If I count them, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. Well, that's an even number, so that counts too. And let's look down here. I drew some stars. If I count the stars, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 stars. That's an even number, so that counts. And down here, I drew 4 smiley faces. They're all the same, and they're together. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. That works. That's an even number, 4. And over here, I wrote the number 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 4. It's an even number, so that works. And the last one I did, I wrote the number down here. 0. Is 0 an even number? It sure is, so that counts too. So on your piece of paper, you can write the numbers like I did, like 2 or 10, or you can write the word for the number, like S-I-X, or you can draw little pictures that represents the numbers, as long as they're even. Okay? Put them all on one piece of paper. Try to keep it neat so I can see them. And then take a picture. And then send it to me on WeChat. And something else you can do is today's video. This is a really fun video. It's exercise and math together. It's called Let's Get Fit. And you're going to be counting all the way up to 100. But you're going to be doing exercises to get to 100. So you're going to need some space and some energy. And you're going to have to remember how to count and do the exercises with Jack while he's doing them. Okay? And then another video is the Crayon counting book. You can just sit and listen to the author or to the reader read it, or you can read along because you can see the words in the book. But what I want you to listen for are the rhyming words. You're going to see lots of words that rhyme in this book because it's written like a poem. So look for the words that rhyme. Words like book and look. You'll see those words together. Okay? And enjoy this book. This is a fun book, and it also has odd numbers in it because they're going to count the crayons with odd numbers and even numbers. And odd numbers we'll be doing in our next lesson. Okay? So have fun with the book and with the exercises, and send me those pictures of your homework. Write 10 even numbers on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, and send it on WeChat to me. Okay? So just one picture. That's all I need. Thank you. Bye-bye.